Hey, this is Miss Sebastian. We're going to look at your ICE design portfolio for Unit 2. So you're going to find and simplify the volume to surface area ratio for each of 3 possible ice cube shapes. And you can use that chart. So what I found was the easiest for the cube, sphere, and cylinder was to make myself a chart because it made it look a little bit simpler to look at. So I started with the sides. And so for one side, I found the surface area. So the surface area formula is 6s squared. So 6 times 1 times 1, which gave me 6. Then I did the volume. The volume was s cubed, or the sides cubed. So I did 1 times 1 times 1, and I got 1. So then I took the volume, which was 1, and compared it with my surface area, which was 6. Boys. And so you're going to do the same with the sides of length 2. And so you can put that in your chart and then come up with that ratio. We've done the same thing with the sphere. You've got 4 pi r squared for the surface area. So again, I did the radius of 1. 4 pi times 1 times 1 and get 4 pi. Do the volume, 4 cubed times pi times the radius cubed. And you get 4/3 times pi times 1 times 1 times 1 gives us 4/3 pi. And so you do get 4/3 to 4. And when you simplify that, that comes out to 1 to 3. Shh, Dabo. So then you're going to do the same thing for a radius of 2. Look back and see the difference between this volume and this volume, and the same on the other 2. So you're going to check what happens when you increase it to 2 instead of 1. And then you can decide with your answers here. Remember, this was high, small, and lowest. Those are going to help you decide what size ice cube you think would be the best. And then, is it better to have a smaller ice cube with like that 1 inch or 1 centimeter, whatever, or the 2? And then I want you to draw me a picture. Tell me what you think would be the best. It's just going to be what you found from that last question. I just want you to draw me a picture of it. You can just submit it with a picture turned into the Dropbox. Make sure you turn in those charts as well. That'll show me how you got your answer. So hopefully this helps you with that ICE design portfolio.